Teladoc Health Honest Review. Watch before using. Teladoc Health is a leading telehealth platform designed to provide 24/7 access to healthcare professionals, offering convenience and efficiency for a variety of medical needs. In this review, we'll break down its features, who it's best suited for, and whether it lives up to the hype. Teladoc is built for those seeking quick medical advice, prescription refills, mental health counseling, or chronic condition management without the need for in-person visits. One standout feature is its broad coverage, with services available in all 50 states and internationally, making it ideal for travelers or those in remote areas. Booking a consultation is straightforward. You can connect via the app or website to schedule appointments with doctors, therapists, or even nutritionists. You'll typically receive a response within minutes for general medical concerns, which is perfect for minor illnesses like colds, rashes, or sinus infections. Teladoc Health isn't just for primary care. It also excels in mental health services. The platform provides access to licensed therapists and psychiatrists, offering treatment for anxiety, depression, stress, and more. This makes it a strong choice for individuals prioritizing mental wellness. Additionally, it supports ongoing management for chronic conditions like diabetes or hypertension, with tailored plans to fit your needs. One of the most impressive features is Teladoc's Health Expert Opinion Service, which connects you with specialists for second opinions on diagnoses or treatment plans. This can be a game changer for anyone navigating complex or critical medical situations. However, it's not without drawbacks. Teladoc is best suited for non-emergency issues. For serious conditions requiring in-person examinations, diagnostics, or immediate intervention, you'll need to seek traditional care. Also, while Teladoc accepts many insurance plans, out-of-pocket costs can vary. Pricing starts at around $49 for general medical consultations, but can increase for specialized services, so it's worth confirming with your insurance provider before booking. Who is Teladoc Health for? It's perfect for busy professionals, parents, or anyone seeking accessible and reliable healthcare solutions from the comfort of their home. It's particularly valuable if you prioritize mental health services or require frequent management of chronic conditions. The platform's user-friendly interface and quick response times add to its appeal, making healthcare feel less daunting and more approachable. In summary, Teladoc Health is a highly effective telehealth solution, combining convenience, a wide range of services, and reliable care. While it won't replace in-person visits for certain cases, it's an excellent choice for everyday healthcare needs. If you value time, accessibility, and professional expertise, Teladoc is worth considering.